In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photos in Grok. The process is simple and only takes a few moments, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Grok and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Grok website, which is usually one of the top results. This will take you to the Grok homepage. Once Grok is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. When the profile menu opens, select Files. This section displays all the photos and documents saved to your Grok account. Next, look for the trash can icon, which represents the delete option. Click on it, and a confirmation prompt may appear. If you're sure you want to delete the photo, confirm the action by clicking the check mark or confirmation button. That's it. The photo has been successfully deleted from Grok. Removing unwanted images like this helps keep your files organized and your account clutter-free. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, also subscribe, and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.